Hi, this is John in Cincinnati. I'd like to tell you about my system. I'm using a Oppo BDP 105 as transport. I have a 2 terabyte outboard hard drive, and I'm using a Wire World Chroma USB 3.0 on that. All the digital signals are being sent via the digital output of the Oppo into the Naim NDAC using a Cord Company signature coaxial digital cable. The Naim DAC is impressive on its own, but coupled with the Teddy Pardo XPS power supply, it's much more dynamic, much more neutral, and it just has better pace, better rhythm. Moving over to the Naim Supernait 3, which is an impressive piece on its own, but coupled with the TeddyCap SE, it has really elevated the preamp section beyond my wildest dreams. The 4 and 5 pin connections I've compared with the Naim snakes, and I believe that the Teddy Pardo 4 and 5 pin snakes have more dynamics than the Naims. I think the Naims are a little rolled off on the top. So I listened to the Teddy Pardos. From there you can see that I have the totem signatures in cherry. I would like to make a comment about the power cables that Teddy Pardo has sent along. They are just fantastic. The clarity and resolution on these cables are amazing, and I wouldn't want to run my power supplies without them. Thank you.